Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and stocks. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is a lot to talk about in terms of Ripple and XRP. There's bullish things happening. Obviously, we've got the CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, an absolute legend right here. Obviously, predicting that it could be outperforming Bitcoin, which is going to be really nice as well. The lawsuit to settle in June. We are the 1st of June today, which is incredible as well. PayPal, obviously now investing in a crypto Web3 wallet, which is going to be very interesting right here. Solana. Again, I've been very bullish on Solana as well, now hitting that $20 price tag right there as well. The Winklevoss twins obviously now moving to the UAE. A lot of companies are moving to the UAE right now. And we've got BlackRock CEO right here issuing a dire warning right here of the debt ceiling drama. And basically, it's going to be bullish for Bitcoin. So we're going to go through all of that. Let's get into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting wild in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. Now, let's go straight to the community tab. Now, these were the top altcoins in my portfolio today. We had XDC, and it's still up. I just checked before, 30%. Unbelievable. That is an absolute gem. I've been dollar cost averaging into XDC for a long time. We've had Illuvium. That was a $1,000 asset back in the previous bull run. We have Ubix Network as well, which is nice. LCX and Acro right here, but it's really nice to see XDC making some moves today. About time. Now, again, I've got the Wall Street Bull Patreon linked below as well. I do have my trading bots, literally, and I put up all my setups in there, as well as instructions on how to actually do this. And no, I'm not talking BS right here again. These are some of my bots actually running on the platform right here, OKX. And yes, they are an official partner of my channel, which is incredible. So thank you, OKX. And again, look at this, guys. I'm up 60 USDT on this one as well, which is really nice, up 7.2%. On my Pepe bot, 26%, 291 USDT, which is awesome. And of course, Bitcoin right here, 71.1 USDT, up 3%. And that one's got about 2,000 USDT in it, which is roughly around about nearly 3,500 Australian dollars. So this is some of my big trades. That is all linked in the Patreon. Join up. We'll get into that in a second. Now let's go to Coinspot. And again, this is where I do buy my cryptos in Australia as well as OKX. So please feel free to use the referral links below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin on Coinspot as well. And I do use this to stake my cryptos. Now, all the prices you see here are in Australian dollars, and everything else is set to US dollars because I'm catering for everybody around the world and my Aussie fans. Now, Bitcoin's sitting around 41,000 Australian dollars today. It is down 1.45%. XRP down to 79 cents as well. Still incredibly undervalued, in my opinion. Solana's at $32 today. We've got Litecoin, 146. This one's a new addition to my portfolio. Scrolling down, XLM as well in the green, which is interesting, at 14 cents. Some other favorites, of course, we have Hedera at 8 cents today. This has been a gem, an absolute gem to accumulate. VeChain, again, very boring, but supply chain and logistics are going to be huge on the blockchain. VeChain's there. We've got Quant up nearly 4% today, $187. So there was plenty of time to accumulate Quant. I did buy some the other week. Algorand's at 23 cents. Moving down, we have some other favorites, of course. Axie, $10 right there. I'm staking that on Coinspot. There's no lockup on there, which is incredible as well. We've got Chili's at 15 cents right now, and I'm still up on my bot for Chili's, 168%. That is in the Patreon below. And of course, XDC pumping today, 29%. Absolute gem of a crypto. And of course, Casper, 7 cents right here, and Pepe down 1.03. I am trading that, as you've just seen. Now, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, before I get into that, again, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is me running this. I'm only putting up what's actually making me money, which is awesome. And again, I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto trading bots, which are doing incredibly well, as you've just seen. All my trading indicators. I put up videos in there of some other trading platforms that I'm using, which is really wild as well. Some binary options, which is just wild, but anyway, that's been incredible as well. And more importantly, my dividend investing, which provides monthly cash flow literally while you sleep. So again, everything's up in the Patreon. Join up. It is linked below. You will not regret it. And I love talking with everyone in there directly as well. It's so much better than Discord. Now, of course, the biggest gainer on the day here on Crypto Bubbles is XDC, up 29% on the day. Now, again, I've been talking about XDC for a very long time, for years, and it's an absolute gem. Right now at 4 cents USD right now, US dollars. It's still up 32 on the week and 8.6 on the month, but it's really nice to see this. We'll see where this goes. I mean, XDC's trade finance. It's literally tokenizing, and not being backed, but tokenizing gold as well. So we'll see where XDC goes. Litecoin, 3.5 on the day, $92. The halving is happening with Litecoin, and I do actually have a trade opened up with this one as well in the Patreon. I think I just showed you anyway, but go and have a look at that. That's in the Patreon. And Quant as well. Some nice coins up today, 4.1% on the day, $118 USD. The bane of my existence with this coin. Again, I bought this at what was it, 60 US dollars. So 118, I'm still up today, which is really nice as well. This is the thing when you get in early with cryptocurrencies. It's not financial advice, but when you get in early, you see the returns, and if you've got to be hodling right there. But this is awesome right here. A news article on Ripple, of course, and the CEO helps the XRP price suddenly outperform Bitcoin. And again, XDC is doing the same thing. But Ripple, the company behind XRP, obviously currently the world's 6th largest crypto, is hoping to end the near, and it's near long law battle. So I'm losing my mind, obviously with the SEC right here, and that could be over in June. But again, the SEC sued Ripple for $1.3 billion of unregistered securities via the XRP cryptocurrency. And again, I don't see that. I don't see that as accurate information. But it's really interesting to see this. But I feel confident. This is what Brad said. I feel confident that we'll see a decision from the courts this year. Basically, the chief executive technology investments company, SCB, 10x, in a YouTube interview. In fact, I think I would guess that it will be in weeks, not months. Fingers crossed it's in weeks, because I can't wait. And Garlinghouse also pointed out to a recent courtroom developments that he sees a huge win for transparency, and pointed out on June 13 as a potential date to watch for the public release of documents. This is going to send the price of XRP parabolic. We'll see if the SEC actually tries to refuse these release of documents, but the judge has made a decision. So what's the word I'm looking for? Anyway, I'm lost for words. But anyway, judge ruled against the SEC's effort to redact certain information, very kind and information, obviously infamous speech. And then Director of Corporate Finance Bill Human gave, while talking about Ethereum in his interview, is not a security. Garlinghouse said as well, the court had just ruled last week that the notes and the emails associated with the, obviously with this speech, are going to be made public, and should be made public around June 13th. And I think it's a huge win for transparency. I agree. And of course, June 13th. So this is pretty much the next article. I'm not going to go into that, but fingers crossed we could see something happening this month. Anyway, we've got payments giant PayPal invests in new crypto wallet software to push for Web3 adoption. And PayPal investing millions in San Francisco-based crypto wallet company Magic right here in the latest venture into digital asset space. And obviously, according to Magic's press release, the wallet as a service provider raised $52 million in strategic funding round led by PayPal Ventures. PayPal I've ceased using on my e-commerce businesses because I just don't like how they operate, and it can be quite difficult when they freeze your money. Really annoying. And if those of you who are running an e-commerce business understand, it's difficult. Anyway, we've got Solana reclaims $20 price at the moment. And yes, that hasn't happened for a while, but it's just slightly gone down to now. And it has a huge spike in active users. And I mentioned Solana the other day that there was billions of dollars being purchased on it, but Solana network has been on a tear this month, experiencing a substantial increase in user base, leading to the successful breach of the critical $20 price resistance level for its native cryptocurrency Sol. And despite being generally in the red this month, Solana's price has been on an upward trajectory right here since last Thursday, surging roughly 10%. And over the past 24 hours, the 10th largest crypto asset by market cap has increased by 1.2%. That was trading at around $20.72 at the present time. And it could be attributed to several factors. Key among them is impressive surge in the number of active users on the Solana network, which is really nice as well. And if you're buying NFTs, you can use Solana and save on those nasty gas fees from Ethereum. Isn't that nice? Now, Winklevoss twins right here, and there's so many pop-ups, I do apologize, but the United States Big Crypto Exchange is now seeking a license in the United Arab Emirates and seeks to escape hostility and lack of clarity on regulations in the United States. This is what Ripple's fighting for. Literally the entire crypto community as well. Now, this is interesting right here, but obviously we've got BlackRock CEO issues a dire warning over the debt ceiling drama, and apparently this was just approved literally a couple of hours ago. But United States debt ceiling is a one step closer to being raised right now. But Larry Fink, BlackRock right here, says the trust the US dollar is being eroded, which could be good news for Bitcoin. And again, check this right here. The recent drama around the United States debt ceiling has deteriorated global trust in the US dollar, something that has analysts predict it could provide some tailwinds for Bitcoin. I agree, and Fink's comments came after the US House of Representatives on May 31st passed a highly anticipated bill to lift the $31.4 trillion debt ceiling. And the bill now goes after the Senate right now, which is expected to spend a few days debating it. The US Treasury has indicated that the deadline for raising the debt ceiling was June 5th, which is only a couple of days away from today. And any later, and the country could begin defaulting on its debts. I think that how much more debt can you have for a country? It's insane. Could see that all turn to Bitcoin and crypto. Keep in mind. I wonder what happened to that bet. I keep asking. I'll have to find out what exactly happened to that bet as well. Moving on, we've got money going into XRP, which is nice. Ethereum right here. We've got Polkadot, Tron, Litecoin, Bitcoin. Of course, we have XDC up there. Now, that hasn't been up there for a long time. We've got Lido as well, Superfarm, BNB. What else have we got here, guys? Atom. And is that ICP right, the Internet Computer? Yes, it is. Nice to see these coins. Now, let's go to Twitter. I'm smashing through this. And yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me on Twitter, guys. That would be incredible. And yes, thank you to those 4,638 people. You guys absolutely rock. And if you're watching this video, you rock also. And again, I am giving this solid silver bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is no BS for bullish investors. Anyway, this is an interesting tweet right here, but keep these XRP prices on your channel, or I should say chart and channel. So thank you right here, hodl it right here. But number one, $13.59, announcement of settlement. I agree. $157 for XRP being relisted on all exchanges. I agree. $2,948 a Ripple IPO and bank partners. And I would like to say if Ripple launches an IPO, I'm going to be acquiring some shares in Ripple. And look at this, guys. $59,238 right here for global CBDC integration. If that happens, I'll be on a super yacht with my Gulfstream parked in my backyard like John Travolta. Just saying. Anyway, we've got the Fear and Greed Index sitting at 51 at the moment. Keeps scrolling down. This is just bullish. It just keeps getting bullish every day. But XRP crypto payments for real estate purchases in Bali. A lot of Aussies like to go to Bali, and it's really nice to see that you can buy real estate. You've got HSBC right here, one of the largest European-based banks right here by total assets, mentions XRP Ledger for cross-border payments. Financial institution alone handles nearly $250 billion a year in foreign exchange. Let that one sink in for a moment. And yes, the escrow has been released again today from Ripple. Obviously, you can see here there's a few transactions going on, but $103 million US dollars, which is crazy. And, $257 million right here. There's been a few of these today. So anyway, I'm not really worried about that. Dubai is set to integrate XRP as a part of their CBDC program with Ripple. Of course they are. Bullish. We've got an awesome interview here right now from Linda P. Jones. Go and have a listen to this. I'm not going to play it all, but it's going to be very bullish. They're talking about the Ripple IPO, the initial public offering. Very interesting stuff right there. Elon Musk is now the richest man in the world. That's awesome. And yes, the US House passes the debt ceiling bill right here, which again could have bullish implications for cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. And we've got linked to. This is where you could buy the actual stock, I should say Ripple stock, if you have substantial capital. I believe it is, or I think it was a limit of like $200,000 you need to have in assets or whatever it may be. But anyway, the Ripple SEC lawsuit is causing shifts in XRP's price, showing how much cryptocurrency values can react to legal outcomes. And this is bullish as anything, guys, but exciting moments in the inaugural XRP Las Vegas conference. Incredible insights were shared to the XRP ledger, stole the spotlight. To learn more about it right there, go check out the page. And yes, this was one day ago. It obviously was trending on Twitter, which is really nice as well. Love that. Now, anyway, guys, I'm going to go to CoinMarketCap. And yes, again, I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, and all that in the Patreon. And again, the full list of my portfolio goes up in the Patreon as well. But it's really nice to see XDC up 28% today on the day. It's insane. Quant as well, XLM, bullish as anything. Now, if we go to the total market cap, this is in Australian dollars. I do apologize. Let's just quickly change this to US dollars. Now, we've got 1.128 trillion, $31 billion in volume. It is quite low still. When this gets to around about $100 billion in 24 hours, then things start to move. 46% BTC, 19.76 Ethereum. And yes, these are my altcoins. The full list goes up every morning in the Patreon. And of course, where I'm focused on is the banking coins right here. And of course, if we go to the biggest gainers, XDC sitting right up there at 28%. Beautiful sight right there. And of course, some of my favorite coins. And these are all my favorite coins in reality. This is where the money's flowing, the real money, I should say, not just meme coins. I'm talking about institutions and CBDCs, which are coming to us. And I don't like it. But anyway, that is it, guys. Thank you very much. Make sure you join the Patreon. It is linked below. Follow me on social media, and I will be back tomorrow with a new video, of course. Now, with all of these social media accounts as well, I've been getting a lot of messages as well from fake accounts. All my official social media channels are linked below. Do not go follow someone that you search, because I've had a few people actually get scammed, believe it or not, and have actually found me in my proper accounts and messaged me. So be careful with that, guys. Anyway, now on Saturday, yes, the XRP Melbourne meetup is occurring. You do need to register for that. So there are links on the on my Twitter page. So go register for that if you'd like to attend. I'm not sure what the numbers are like. It is limited, but it's going to be incredible to catch up with everyone on Saturday night. But anyway, that is it, guys. I will speak to everyone tomorrow and in the comments, community tab, and the Patreon. Have a good night. Take care. All right. Peace out. Bye.